Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Ikechi Onyenaka, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play 24/7 by Meek Mill on the alto saxophone. So this song is in the key of concert A minor, which is your F sharp minor on alto sax. Before I get into this tutorial, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ikechi Onyenaka. I'm an alto saxophonist, multi-instrumentalist, and performing artist from Darby, PA. My goal on this channel is to become the next big music legend to come out of the Philadelphia music scene. I tend to upload vlogs, performance videos, song covers, and anything that pretty much documents my musical journey. So if that's something that interests you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. So your first couple notes are D with octave key, C sharp, B, A. Then you're gonna grace B with the B flat. Next you're gonna do A, F sharp. Then you're gonna do A, C sharp, E 3 times, F sharp, C sharp twice, B. Right there, what I did was I graced the F sharp with an E, and I also graced the C sharp with a B. Next, you're gonna do E with octave key, C sharp, B, A, B twice, and you're gonna grace the B flat. Following that will be A, F sharp. And you're gonna do the same line that you did earlier. Alright, next is the new section. This is the part where Ella Mai starts counting the days of the week. So you're gonna do C sharp, B, A twice. Then for the days of the week, you're gonna grace B with the B flat. Following that is A, F sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B. And that D is gonna be added in like a trill. And you're gracing the C sharp with the B. Next is A, F sharp. And you're gonna do the same line you did before with the days of the week, except the ending is gonna be different. This time, your first note is gonna be E instead of a C sharp. So next section is A, B, C sharp, B, C sharp, B. Now the part where she's saying 24/7, E with the octave key, C sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp again, B. Then it's gonna repeat again. And then the last part is C sharp, B, C sharp, D with octave key, C sharp, B, B, A. And what I'm doing is I'm gracing the B with an A. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what other songs you want me to do covers on, or even tutorials. Let me know what other kind of content you want to see on my channel. Make sure to follow me on social media. My links are down below in this video. I'll also leave them down below in the description. And lastly, make sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.